Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to create your own YouTube channel. It is fairly easy and simple to create your channel, okay? So as you guys can see, I'm already on the YouTube page. So all you have to do, you open Google, your browser, and you type youtube.com. When you type on youtube.com, it will take you to this page right here. All right. The page or the account that we are going to create today is a free account. However, YouTube do have a membership account where you can pay and have premium options available for you. But for my YouTube starters, if you are on a budget, you don't want to be spending up any money to create a YouTube channel, then you can go ahead and start with the free version. That is fine as well. And today, guys, we are creating a personal YouTube channel, not a business YouTube channel. If you guys want me to create a business YouTube channel for you, let me know. I can create one for you. But basically, the personal YouTube channel will do. So when you come to the YouTube page, it's gonna take you to this page right here, and all you have to do is go ahead and click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it's gonna ask you to sign in using your Google account. Now, for those of you that already have a Google account, I highly recommend that you do not use that email address for your YouTube channel. I usually recommend for you to use a new YouTube account. That way your personal emails are not going to get mixed up with your channel email. That way you don't miss anything. Also, YouTube tends to send you a lot of notifications, and you have subscribers and all those things, so you don't want to miss any emails or any important updates from your YouTube channel. So create a new email address, create a new account for your YouTube channel, okay? So instead of going here and add my current information, my current email address, I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna go ahead and create a new email address, a new Google account per se. As you can see here, it's give you three options: for myself, for my child, to manage my business. Like I said, we are not creating a business, a Google account, or we're not creating a YouTube for a business. We're creating it for personal leisure. So we're gonna keep everything personal and keep everything simple. So I'm gonna put for myself. Wait for it to load. Another tip that I have when you are creating a Google account for your YouTube channel, make sure it's your channel name. For example, my YouTube channel is Mia Yurka, so my email address for my YouTube channel is miayurka@gmail.com. So in this case, let me see, I'm gonna create like a fictitious name. So I'm gonna put first name. Say my YouTube channel is going to be London First, right? So I'm gonna put London for first name, and I'm gonna put my last name as First. Okay. I'm not going to open I'm gonna ask to create a new email address instead. So I'm gonna put London First 0. You don't have to put gmail.com, guys, because it's already there. If it's available, it will tell you. If not, it will give you other option. For password, let's create something that I can remember right now. After that, I'm gonna delete this account anyway, so it's no big deal. All right, it's asking for a phone number. It's always gonna ask you for a phone number, so I'm gonna put a phone number, my business phone number. Okay, so in the phone number that you entered, if you entered your personal phone number, it's gonna send you a G number. So let's find out what that G number is. It's 520290. 520290. So let's see, 520290, and enter. Once you enter it, okay, let's see what it's saying. If you need a recovery email address, you can put your personal email address as that. That way, if you forget your password or something and they're sending you the password, you can use that email to receive the link to reset your password. But I'm not gonna put that because this is a dummy thing, a dummy account. So I'm gonna put March 1st, I don't know, 1991. And the female will be the gender will be female. All right, and then get more from your number. I'm gonna skip this because once again it's a dummy account and it's just giving you the privacy for Google. And I'm gonna put I agree here. And here you are. Your account has been created with Google. And how do you know that? Right here, instead of sign in, you have the L as for London, because remember London First, if you click on it, your information londonfirst@gmail.com will be what you're gonna see here. Now, in order for you to create your own channel, you see when I click on the L here, when I click on the L here, right here, it's telling me to create a channel. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. When you go ahead and create a channel for London First, remember that will be the name of your channel. That is why it is very important to just go ahead and create your new Google account with the name of the channel that you want it to be. Okay, you can add a pretty nice picture here. So in that case, let me see, I can upload, let me see if I can find any kind of like image here. I'm going to my image stuff, but if you have pictures on your phone, then you can use pictures on your phone. If you do not have any pictures on your phone, then you can upload some on your phone, on your laptop or whatever, and add it there. Okay, you can Google some image, upload it on your computer and add it here. Let me see, I don't know, I'm looking for anything. I'm just gonna add anything, guys, because at the end of the day it's a dummy account, right? So I decided to add this one right here, and I'm gonna put it as done, and that will be your picture. Okay, and you're gonna go ahead here and you're gonna create your channel, and make sure you always read your term. There is a YouTube term and stuff like that on the bottom. Make sure you read it. I didn't read it because I've read it before, but that's something that if you are new to creating, it's just telling you like the terms about, you know, creating a YouTube channel. Of course, no plagiarizing, no copywriting and all those things, so it's good to kind of like know. So your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. Okay, so with that being said, guys, you just basically create your channel. Now we need to go ahead and check back. Let's give it a few moments and we're gonna go back and check it out and see. All right, well, while I was off the camera, I went back. All I did was just click on my picture, and then once I click on the picture, it literally takes me here. As you guys can see, you have nothing on, there is nothing on the new channel. The channel has just been created. You have 0 subscribers, you have 0 videos, nothing on the channel really. Now if you want to customize your channel, I can do another video on how to customize your channel using this same channel that I just created. But for today, since I just wanted to show you guys how to create a YouTube channel, this is how you can create a YouTube channel. If you want to upload a video, of course you will need to record your video, edit it, and then you will upload it here. This is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.